Mga bumabanderang balita at public service sa inyong tunay nakasangga sa tanghali. Hanggang bukas mga kapatid, ako po si Cheryl Cosim, kami ang boses ng pinagkakaisang Pilipinas.
Not been the Supreme Court has allowed them to continue to run or are in our electorate system for them to say to openly admit parang kayo na lang siguro magsabi noon o Ms. Soberano or kung sino mang personality, alam ba ninyo ganito sila, pero I respect your opinion if you want to advocate those advocacies you believe are worth promoting. Pero parang sinabi mo pa, mag-ingat ka kasi baka, ano ba yan, parang may mangyari sa kanya, ganun ba? Baka masaktan siya.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Yes, Madam Senator. In fact, that was my intention because of the recent killings of these Gabriela Youth members.